Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I went on my community tab and I asked you guys what you wanted video-wise, and a lot of you guys asked for a favorites video. And I haven't done one in a while. I think the last one that I did was like a beauty favorites, literally 1400 years ago. So I thought, why not do a cumulative fall favorites? It took me a minute to figure out exactly what kind of favorites I wanted to include in here, but somebody, I will put their little comment up here somewhere, had suggested that because I was tossing up between a playlist video and a favorites video, I should just include the songs that I like too. So it's just a big old fun favorites. So I'm very excited. And let's just get started. So I feel like I'm gonna start with beauty because that just kind of feels like organic. But the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the Sleepy Lotion by Lush. You guys probably already know what this is, but if you don't know, it's basically like melatonin in body lotion form. Personally, for me, melatonin gives me the most vivid night terrors and also gives me just really fucked up sleep, so I can't take it anymore. But I have very bad issues with falling asleep, so this stuff is, honest to God, so good. I didn't even explain it there. If you don't know what it is, it's basically this lotion that if you put it on your chest and you put it in other areas, I think. I just put it on my chest area and then behind my ears. It makes you fall asleep. Like, it's the weirdest thing. It smells like lavender, and this is like my third pot and I'm already halfway through it, or I guess a quarter way through it. But it just smells like, even the smell of it makes you sleepy. Like, it feels like a warm hug, and especially when it starts to get cold, oh my God. The best is when you drink a cup of sleepy time tea, you put this on your chest area, and you have literally the most beautiful sleep in the entire world. I would recommend it to anybody. Next, I want to talk about my favorite deodorant, which is like a natural deodorant. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure there's something, it's like aluminum's in regular deodorant, and we're not supposed to buy it, so we're supposed to buy overpriced deodorant that's supposed to be better for us. So I fell for it and I bought this, and it's called the La Vanilla Healthy Deodorant. I don't know, it smells really good. There's a sport version and they both just smell really nice. They don't wear off, and I'm pretty sure that's a thing that like some healthy deodorants don't last very long. So yeah, I really like it. This is just the travel size because I can't remember, but I remember seeing the original price for the bigger one and was like, I'm not spending that on deodorant that I don't know if it even works. But it works and I like it. Next, to give you a bit of a glimpse into my skincare routine, which I promise is going up soon. I literally say that every week when somebody asks and they're like, you literally said this for months, which is true, but I swear it's because I like want it to be really cool, and it's going to be, I feel like it's going to be out in the next like 2 weeks, maybe. Anyways, I really love the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I hate to be that bitch that's like, I love Glossier skincare, but like, I love Glossier skincare. This is just like a really great moisturizer for if you have skin that doesn't really, like, you don't have problematic skin, but you also kind of have like sensitive skin, where if you use like too heavy of a moisturizer, or just something that's like annoying, it just annoys your skin. That made literally no sense. But I really like this, especially in the winter. I just think it's really nice. And I use it as a general moisturizer as well as a priming moisturizer. Next, this is my literal godsend. If you know me, you know that my lips are literally chapped 24/7. I swear to God, there's nothing in the world that are drier than my lips. It's ridiculous. That is, until this. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask sounds like the most gimmicky, stupid product you've ever heard of. Like, who the fuck needs a lip mask? Me. If you put this stuff on, I am telling you, if you buy this and you put this on your lips, like you put a nice generous layer and you fall asleep, you will wake up with the most luscious, soft, buttery lips. It's magical. I swear to God, I do this every single night without fail, and I haven't had chapped lips in forever. I will say though, if I stop using it, then I get chapped lips again, but that's just because I just have chronically dry lips. But this stuff is so good. I think there's different, what do you classify it as a flavor? Like, you don't eat it, but I don't know. There's different smells now. I just have the original one. It kind of smells like, I don't know. It's like almost strawberry, but not really, because I don't like strawberry scents, so I would hate it if it actually did smell like strawberries, but it's really great. Next, I want to give a quick shout out to the Way hairspray. This is a new like little travel one that I got for my birthday from a friend, but you know when like YouTube bitches go on and they're like, this is so great, I can't live without it, and you're like, really though? That's what I thought about hair care, not skincare. Like, I used to be like, okay, you guys can't live without it because you get it for free. Like, Weebin knew. But I don't know under what pretenses. Oh, it was, okay. They had a holiday kit thing, and I bought it, and I was like, I'm just gonna try out their shit. It smells so good, and it actually is really good stuff. I am like a diehard Moroccan oil person. I've been using Moroccan oil since I was like 6. Obviously I wasn't buying it myself. My mom was like, she used Moroccan oil, so I use it too. So it was like hard for me, like it's hard for me to actually ever deviate from it. But this stuff, oh my God, this hairspray or wave spray, you put this in, I personally, this is the one thing that all of the fucking beauty gurus never mention. And when I first used it, I'm like, why do people like this? So they always mention like, oh, just put it in your hair and it'll be fine. If you put this in dry hair, you will have sticky, gross hair. Like, quite honestly. Personally, for me, it works best if you put it in damp hair and then you blow dry it. I don't know why they never mention that, or maybe I'm watching the wrong beauty gurus, but she's great, and she makes your hair smell so good. Literally, I feel like an LA bitch when I have this in my hair. Like, and that's a good feeling. Next, I swear I only have a couple more beauty products, but this, I'm about to be looking to for the rest of my life. Thank you very much. What I mean by that is this is like a Peter Thompson Roth. Oh, I think you guys could hear that. It's like ASMR. Anyways, Peter Thompson Roth for Christmas did this big old thing where they have 6 masks, and they're smaller, but they're good for travel because they're all 50 milliliters and you get to try everything. And it was, how much was it? $95 Canadian, which you're like, whoa, that's a lot. But they're more expensive on their own. It's actually a deal because the way it works out, it's a pretty good deal if you want to try everything. But I've tried a couple of them so far. I tried the rose mask. I've already tried this one before and I like it. And the 24 karat gold one. They're so good. I used the 24 karat gold one, and I swear to God, I went into that looking like a 12-year-old, or not really. I look like I went into that looking like a 12-year-old, and I came out looking 7. Like, I literally looked at myself and was like, I look like I need to be in kindergarten. Like, that stuff is so good. You look ridiculous while wearing it because it's literally yellow, so you look like you've smeared like some sort of watery mustard all over your face, but oh my God, it's so nice. If you put it on before makeup, it's just beautiful. I don't even know how else to describe it. I haven't tried the rest of the ones. I want to try the pumpkin one really badly because apparently that one in conjunction with the 24 karat one is supposed to be like beautiful, like a facial. And then the hyaluronic thermal one, I'm terrified of using that because there's a literal, all of them have like the same kind of like little thing that you take off. But that one has a special one that's like for your safety and you have to like actually peel it off. I'm kind of scared of it now. I'll probably use it eventually. It'll probably be one of the last ones I use, but yeah, I can't speak for that one, but the rose one and the 24 karat gold mask are so good. I feel like I'm talking a mile a minute, and it's because I am, because my parents are out walking our dogs and I only have so much time until they come back, and I'm terrified of filming in front of them, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. Along with my journey of looking 7 years old, I've been trying out the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. I had like a couple samples of this like throughout the year and I really liked it, but the idea of sitting down and spending that much on a fucking product that I didn't even, it's one of those things that I'm like, I don't have wrinkles now, do I really need to spend that much on it? But wrinkles are like one of those things you have to put the work in before. So what was the reason I got it? I think it was the Sephora sale, on top of the fact that it was part of a package where you got a full size of this, a small size of their facial thing, and then a really small size of their eye thing. So I was like, you know what? I'll get that because it was the same price as this full size, but you got extra shit. I already knew this stuff worked well, but like using it every day continually because you actually have a full bottle of it instead of squeezing out a travel size, it's really great. I personally have been converted from a lot of the other skincare products that I used to use. I think there has to be a video. I know I did a skincare video. I think it was 2 summers ago, and I talked about how I used to use La Mer, and I genuinely believe that La Mer switched their formula. Conspiracy theory. I know they actually haven't. If you look at their formula, it's the same. But me and my sister are convinced they changed that fucking formula because I just put it on now and it doesn't feel the same and I don't get the same results that I used to have. Not saying like I got crazy results. I'm not a 6-year-old woman with wrinkles, but I just found that there wasn't that same kind of moisturizing property that I was getting from it when I used to, because I do have really dry skin. So I've been trying to branch out to other skincare, and this was kind of giving me what I was missing from it. I do like to use this. It's a 2-in-1 plumping moisturizer and serum. I like to go in with my glossy moisturizer as well. So it's kind of like a tandem thing, and I only really use a pump of it. So it's not like crazy, but I don't know. I really like it. It makes my skin really plump and soft, and I don't get those dry patches right around here or like around my nose. Oh my God. If I don't moisturize my nose properly, it literally looks like an alligator. So this helps. Okay, I only have 2 more makeup products and then we can talk about clothes. But I've been trying this Lash Sensational Boosting Serum and I actually think it's working. It's bold of me to put this in a favorites video because I look in the mirror and I'm like, is this a placebo? Are you actually working? I don't know. But it's like it's like a mascara wand and it has the serum on it, duh. And I just put it on in the morning and night and I genuinely think it's actually working. I've been using it for, I think, a little over a month, which is like, people are gonna be like, you can't see results that fast. Like, okay, we get it. Anyway, I think that it's working. So I'm going to lightly mention it. We're gonna call her a maybe favorites, which defeats the purpose of this video, but she's still gonna go in there. Finally, I wanna present my new favorite blush, which has overtaken my favorite Tarte blush, which the name is escaping me right now, which is really inconvenient. I'll link it down below. But this is in the shade Ecstasy. It is the Charlotte Tilbury blush, and oh my God, like, I love Charlotte Tilbury products, but blush was one of those things that I was like, do I really need to spend money on a blush like that? Because I already love my Tarte blushes. Is it necessary? It is. It really is. This is the most beautiful blush. I'm wearing it today. I'm not wearing the usual amount of blush that I'll wear, but it gives this warmth to the skin that almost makes you look tan, but it also isn't orange. It's not like actually meant to be a bronzer. As you can see, it's just like a nice, almost pale beige, and then a more like louder in comparison to the other color, coral pink, and it's so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. Whenever I wear this in comparison to when I don't wear this blush, people are like, oh my God, your skin looks so nice today, like so healthy. It's because of the blush. It's bomb. Okay, moving on to clothing. I got some stuff from the Teddy Fresh and Rip and Dip collab. If you know me, you know I'm literally obsessed with Rip and Dip. I wear all of their shit all of the time. So when I saw the Teddy Fresh collab, I was like, here we are. There goes my money. I'm actually like very matchy right now with this. But if you don't know Teddy Fresh, it is H3H3's merch clothing company. I don't know. They collabed. It's adorable. I got the hat as well as the shorts. The shorts are in the laundry right now, but they're super cute. They have, oh my God. They're like, they have this logo on the front at the bottom, and then at the back, they have them like on the butt. It's really adorable. I love it so much. It just screams summer to me, which is kind of sad because obviously the collab came out before or after summer, but I'm really excited. I'm still gonna wear it. It's just like, how cute is this hat? Like, come on. If it's still available, I'll link it, but I'm not sure. Next, I'm gonna be that bitch that includes band merch because I can. Honestly, this shirt is just so goddamn simple. I got this back in August during Lollapalooza because Rex was playing. And I've just been wearing it a shit ton. Like, it's just cute. I got it oversized so that I can wear it with like denim, wear it kind of as a dress, wear it with leggings. She's cute. She's a moment. She's a favorite. Another favorite is this raincoat that I got. I got this last year and I got it, I think, in April. It's by Unif, clearly. But it gives me very Kill Bill vibes. I really like it. It's that nice shade of yellow that's like always on trend. So I just like it. It's also very handy because it hasn't stopped raining here since it's literally been raining for like 4 days straight. It's kind of concerning, but it's been very helpful. It's cute. It's a favorite. I just realized I have no idea where my phone is right now and I kind of needed to do my music favorites. Okay, we're back. So music favorites, everyone dropped good music this week. I swear to God. Baby by Marina and Clean Bandit. I literally would die for that song. I would die. I'm currently dying. I'm already someone else's. I also wanted to mention Bad Time by Sabrina Carpenter, which is it's such a bop. Like, oh my God. Sometimes she hits it nail on the head, I swear to God. Sometimes some of her stuff, I'm like, I don't really like it. But when she hits the nail on the head, it's such a bop. It's really good. I'm sorry, but it's not like the last time. You were calling me and hoping for a good time. I also want to mention Temptation by Ravina. It's not like crazy new, but it's still really good. And honestly, Ravina is so slept on. Not actually, but kind of. It's a good song. Like, it's like a vibe though. I'm envious of your colors. I have other music favorites, but I'm gonna keep those for my actual autumn playlist video because I want to keep that separate because it's saying right now that this video is over 20 minutes long, and that's... What I was trying to say is that I have other music favorites, but I want to keep that separate in my playlist video. So look forward to that if you want to hear more music picks, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this more relaxed, chatty video. If you did, please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to follow me outside of YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, which are both at Aonso. I'll have like a little thing right here doing something right now. It's going to be doing its thing, I hope. I do that in post. And yeah, let me know what you guys have been loving this month. Like if it's like, or I guess like in like the series of months that are fall, like anything, products, makeup, music, clothes, let a girl know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Again, thank you so much for watching.